Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Blanca. Today I have a Forever 21 haul for you guys. I know that I've been MIA from YouTube once again. I know I said in my last video that wasn't gonna happen again, and here I am 1 month later. I'm sorry, but sometimes, life gets in the way, and I don't know if you guys know this. I mentioned it in like a couple of videos back, but my parents did move into town. It was a big move, and yeah, I've just been literally over there every single day, and I've been working, and we've had like family coming up to visit. I've just been kind of like busy and trying to, enjoy the summer because the summer goes by very quickly. But anyways, I asked you guys on Instagram a while ago if you wanted to see a Forever 21 haul, and like 90 something percent of you guys said yes. So I went ahead and purchased some things from Forever 21. I completely forgot how affordable Forever 21 is and just the cute stuff that they do have. I'm gonna stop talking. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to like it, and if you have not, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would really mean so much to me, and it just really helps me out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video, but I'll also see you guys in a second when I'm doing this try on video. Yeah, bye. Okay, I was actually just gonna do a voiceover, but I think I'll just talk here because my birds are being quiet. So I'm going to take advantage of that. All right, so the first top that I have for you guys is this red ribbed flounce crop top, it's called. It's got this nice little flowy detail at the front here, and it is cropped. I got it in a medium, and it's really cute, and it's got this little bow thing here that you tie at the front, and it's just super comfy. It's very soft. It's a ribbed material. I love the color. I just thought it would look good with maybe a nice pair of jeans or just with the next pants that I'm going to be showing you guys. So the next item are these palazzo pants. I thought they were really cute. I don't know why I got them in a small. I wish I would have gotten them in a medium, but they just look like this, and whoop, I just love the print on them, and they're very flowy, and it's just a really nice, relaxed, flowy kind of fit. It's perfect for the summer. When it's summertime, you don't want to be wearing like tight jeans, or sometimes maybe, you don't want to wear jean shorts or shorts. So I thought I would get something like this. I really like these. They're nice and comfortable. But like I said, I wish I would have gotten them in a medium because they are a little bit snug, like on the booty, but I mean, I can make it work. I've started working out again, and so they do actually fit better than how they did when I tried them on in this video. So definitely recommend those. So next up is this floral print jumpsuit. It just looks like this. I absolutely love the color. It's like a rusty, orange shade, and I love the print on it, and they're again very nice and flowy, very comfortable for the summertime. It's not going to make you feel extremely hot and sweaty, and I don't have anything like this. I just thought it was super cute and very comfortable. I got it in a medium as well. I think it would look super cute with some sandals, and yeah, very comfortable. I also got this white shirt that is in the wash, but it's super adorable and very comfy. I got it for $12.90. It comes in a variety of colors. The one that I got is an ivory, although it doesn't even look ivory, it looks white to me. And it also comes in mustard and black. I really like the detailing on the sleeves and just at the front how it's ruched. It kind of makes your tatas look really nice, and just I don't know, it just looks nice and cute. I also got these striped linen blend paper bag waist pants. I got these in a medium. These are super snug, super tight. I should have got a large, but I think that it'll fit a bit better once I lose a tiny bit of weight, and I think they are just nice to wear on a lunch date or to a baby shower. Like, you can really dress up these pants, and you can wear it with like a cute top and maybe even like a bodysuit, or you can pair it with like a cute top like I just did here. I really like these pants. I just wish they fit a little bit better. I picked up this crossbody bag. It actually holds a lot of items. I used it this past weekend. It fits everything, like, I don't know, your phone, some makeup, and I just really like it. It's really cute. I love the colors, and I feel like it can go with any outfit. All right, so I picked up this striped dress. I got it in a large. I know I'm very curvy. Well, not very curvy, but I feel like I'm very curvy. And I know the rule is when you're curvy, you shouldn't wear stripes. But I wanted to try it out. I just liked this dress. I thought it was cute with the little bow detail at the front. So I just wanted to try it, and just to make sure that it didn't fit like super duper tight, I upsized and got a large. And it's still kind of like, I don't think it's super tight, but it's pretty tight on my body. I thought it'd be cute with like a nice pair of sandals, or even like just like tennis shoes. I'm not too sure if I like it. Like when I look in the mirror, I'm like, ooh, that doesn't look good. But then when I saw it, when I was playing back the video, I was like, it actually doesn't look too bad. So I don't know. It's cute. It's nice. It's comfortable. I like it. But I don't know if I'll actually wear it out because I don't know. I just feel like it makes me look too curvy. I don't know. So this is a floral cami maxi dress. It's stunning. It's beautiful. It's maxi length. It's got interior lining. It's got adjustable cami straps, and it crisscrosses at the back. It's so beautiful. It's probably my favorite thing that I got out of everything. It's gorgeous. I love it. Definitely recommend this one. And last but not least, I got these skinny distressed jeans. They are ankle cut. I didn't realize they were low rise. I prefer high-waisted jeans. I just feel like these ones kind of give me a muffin top and make my butt look kind of weird. I don't know. I'm not really feeling them. Not too sure about them. But yeah. This concludes this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.